Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between Yoga You and Home Cooking. Today we are making Panchmel Dal. This is a traditional Rajasthani dish that brings together 5 different types of dals in one delicious preparation. With a good mix of lentils, simple spices and a flavorful tadka. This is a satisfying dish for a balanced meal. So let's get started and check it out. The first step is to soak all the dals together, starting with quarter cup of toor dal, quarter cup of green moong, quarter cup of masoor dal, quarter cup of urad dal with the skin and quarter cup of yellow moong dal. Pour enough hot water and let the dal soak for about an hour. If you have a lot of time on your hands, you can just use regular normal room temperature water and soak it for about 2 to 3 hours. So you can see the dals have soaked beautifully. It's all plumped up very nicely. So discard this water and now we'll transfer the soaked dal to the pressure cooker. Pour enough water so that the dals are completely immersed. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and just a teaspoon of oil. So just mix that in. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook the dal for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Now you can see the dal is cooked beautifully. You can keep this aside. The next we are going to temper the dal. Take a nice white kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil and about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just lightly roast them till the mustard seeds splutter. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, add 2 red chilies cut into half. Add a little hing, that is asafetida powder. Gently toss them. Now let's add all the other ingredients. Starting with 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Saute the ingredients for just about 2 to 3 minutes. So once the onions have turned translucent, next I'm going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Just saute the tomatoes till they become a little mushy. This will take about 5 minutes. So you can see the tomatoes have become nice and mushy. At this point I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Just give that a quick mix. So I'm not adding salt at this point because I've already added some salt while cooking the dal. Keeping the flame on low, transfer the cooked dal into the kadai. Just mix it along with the onion and tomato masala. Wow, just look at that beautiful color and it looks gorgeous. After 5 minutes, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Also add a few crushed kasuri methi leaves. Close the kadai and let it simmer on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the dal is done. It's beautifully cooked. Finish off by adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Just mix that in. Turn off the stove and this delicious Panchmel Dal is ready to be served. Now this dal is a simple way to bring variety to your everyday meals, with 5 dals coming together to make it a comforting meal. I'm serving it with some nice hot steaming rice, but you can enjoy it with roti, phulka or chapati. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share all these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay nourished.